Hello everyone, my name is Aliaksei Lenski. This is my classes video. Today I'm going to discuss how to create classes, what to put in them, and how to do it correctly. So, as an example, I made a class called country class. In this class we're gonna describe a country by its name, budget, and population. So we start from writing a public access class, and the name of class we called country. The important thing to call the class the same as a file name. So then we write some fields. It's basic information where we put country names, that we're gonna use a country name, country budget, and the population. We set them to private because we don't want to unconsciously inherit this information to any other classes, so we set it to private. Then we have constructor field, and here I made two constructors: the basic constructor without parameters and the constructor with 3 parameters for each field. For name, for integer, and for double. So a constructor without parameters is just our basic one. That so basically in our interactions pane, if we didn't set anything as parameters for any other country, this is gonna be written in there. So then more complicated one with 3 parameters. We have name here, then if else statement for both integer and double to make sure that it won't write like a negative value for both of them, and we have to put it in here and in methods later. So now we go to methods, which will be started from getters, get access to those methods. So we have get name, it returns a country name, we have a budget, and we have a population that basically just give us access to use population, budget, and name. So next thing we're gonna do is setting name here. As a string. So we set names so to make sure that it will be written. The given name will be written, will be set. So nextly we have again a budget, a method for budget. I put a boolean. So if the budget is negative or equals to 0, it returns false and writes this statement. And if it's more than 0, if it's non-negative, it writes that budget equals country budget, so it writes the number you chose to write, and it returns true. The same thing as with population here, and eventually we have a string-to-string method that will write the information about our country as I said. So that basic is a country name. So it will be written like country name plus the name of country you chose. Then I have a bunch of if-else statements for setting the negative values and errors to handle all errors. And I have a small class that inherits from the big country class. I call him test class for country. I put them in the same folder to make sure it will find it. So as you see, I put a country Belarus as just a basic country. without any variables. Then I put United Kingdom as a country with variables, and I put Atlantis as a country with like negative values in budget and population. And I put system out println to make it appear here. So we compile this and check how it works. And now we see that Belarus appeared as a just basic example without variables. The same thing that was right here. Secondly, we put United Kingdom with the values we chose. And then we have Atlantis, and instead of writing negative values, it puts error here and here. Thank you for watching. Leave your comments. I need your feedback. Thank you.